The heart is a muscular organ located in the chest, behind the breastbone. It pumps oxygenated blood throughout the body, and returns deoxygenated blood back to the lungs for reoxygenation. The heart is made up of 4 chambers: the right atrium, the left atrium, the right ventricle, and the left ventricle. The heart has several different parts, including valves. The heart has 4 valves that keep blood flowing in the correct direction. The mitral valve is located between the left atrium and left ventricle. The tricuspid valve is located between the right atrium and right ventricle. The aortic valve is located between the left ventricle and aorta, and the pulmonic valve is located between the right ventricle and pulmonary artery. Coronary vessels. The heart has its own blood vessels that supply it with oxygen-rich blood, called coronary vessels, which include the left and right coronary artery. Atria. The atria are the upper chambers of the heart. The right atrium receives deoxygenated blood from the body and pumps it into the right ventricle. The left atrium receives oxygenated blood from the lungs and pumps it into the left ventricle. Ventricles. The ventricles are the lower chambers of the heart. The right ventricle pumps deoxygenated blood to the lungs, where it receives oxygen. The left ventricle pumps oxygenated blood to the rest of the body. The heart is a vital organ, and it is responsible for pumping oxygen and nutrients throughout the body. The heart muscle needs a constant blood supply to function properly. This is achieved by its own blood vessels, the coronary vessels. Heart disease is a leading cause of death worldwide, and it can be caused by a variety of factors such as high blood pressure, high cholesterol, smoking, and a sedentary lifestyle. Functions of heart. The heart performs several important functions, including circulation. The heart pumps oxygenated blood throughout the body, supplying the body's cells with oxygen and nutrients, and removing waste products and carbon dioxide. Blood pressure regulation. The heart plays a role in regulating blood pressure by contracting and relaxing in a rhythmic pattern, which helps to maintain a steady flow of blood throughout the body. Oxygen and nutrient delivery. The heart pumps oxygen and nutrient-rich blood throughout the body, providing the cells with the necessary energy to function properly. Waste removal. The heart is responsible for pumping deoxygenated blood to the lungs, where it receives oxygen and eliminates carbon dioxide. Hormone regulation. The heart produces several hormones, including atrial natriuretic peptide (ANP), which helps to regulate blood pressure and fluid balance in the body. Temperature regulation. The heart helps to regulate body temperature by adjusting blood flow to the skin and by producing heat. Cardiac output regulation. The heart adjusts the amount of blood it pumps to match the body's needs. This is known as cardiac output regulation. Heart rate regulation. The heart rate is regulated by the electrical signals generated by the sinoatrial (SA) node and the atrioventricular (AV) node, which are specialized cells located in the heart. The heart is a vital organ, and it is essential for maintaining overall health and well-being. The heart's function is closely linked to the function of other organs, such as the lungs, blood vessels, and kidneys, and when it fails to function properly, it can lead to serious health problems, sometimes even life-threatening if not treated properly.